Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the URL of your public LinkedIn profile. Alright, so if you want to change the LinkedIn profile URL, all you have to do is open up linkedin.com. Then open up your LinkedIn profile, which you can do by clicking on the me icon right on here and select view profile. And then on this page, on the right side of your screen, click on edit public profile and URL. Then you can see the edit your custom URL here. Click on the pencil icon and here's where you can personalize the URL of your profile. I would recommend to always include your name, but instead of these random numbers, you can also add something like a keyword, which will make it more likely that people find you if they're looking for a service or company or anything like that. As you can see, you have up to 100 characters and you cannot use any spaces, symbols, or special characters. You only need to use letters, numbers, and dashes. Once you have added the new custom URL, you just click on save and now success. As you can see, they have updated your custom URL, so if you go back to the LinkedIn profile, you can see the URL has been changed to this new one. And that's it. I hope you learned something in this video. Also, if you want to learn more about how-to tutorials about digital marketing, software, and e-commerce, make sure to check out our YouTube channel that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.